Balancing school life and academics can be very challenging. You just get done with practice and get lunch right after you run to class, and sometimes still it's just like keep on replaying plays from practice and stuff like that. So you really have to work on yourself and set your focus to be the best version of yourself as a player and then afterwards as a student. Hello, my name is Aaron Kronenberg. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Cologne, Germany. I'm a graduate student. I just recently joined the men's soccer team here at Denver, and I'm a center back. It's a very different level. I did my undergrad at George Washington University, and the reason why I wanted to go somewhere else is because I wanted to excel as a player and as a person. Felt like Denver could give me that opportunity, and that's really the case. I feel like I can propel to new levels here. What I really like is that it's combined in the US, that I can combine sports with school, and my professors, they know that I'm a student athlete, and when I miss class or when I miss exams, they keep some slack, and in Germany it's divided. So none of your professors really care what you do outside of school. So it can be really, really hard to balance both of them. That was also the main reason why I wanted to come to the US. Have a good education, but also play at a high level. First time doing NuCalm was with the team actually. We did it pre-game and had it on the speaker. We were trying to relax and just did a group meditation session. But I mainly use it by myself, yes. So I really dialed down on Rescue and Focus. Those are the two that help me the most. Rescue helps me with recovery when I feel like I didn't get a good night of sleep. Rescue helps me to kind of recharge my batteries a little bit. I can't really perform that well when I run low on energy, and Rescue allows me to kind of lift myself up a little bit, just give me these extra percentages that sometimes lack when you don't get a good night of sleep. And Focus really helps me with, as I touched on earlier, compartmentalizing school and soccer. Once I put on Focus, I feel like I can really dial in on my study session. And before that, it felt like I have a concentration span of maybe an hour to do my schoolwork. But now that I've been using Focus for a longer time, my attention span doubled basically. I have my headphones in and pull my phone out. It's basically just 2 clicks. You go on NuCalm and then you can choose the mental state that you want to be in and you're good to go. Mostly it feels like an in-between state, I would say. But sometimes it even puts me to sleep. I guess it also depends on how exhausted I am. I mostly use it instead of a nap during the day. Most of the time I don't fall asleep. I just feel very, very calm in that Zen state, if you want to say so. But every now and then I do fall asleep, yes. When I use NuCalm Rescue, I feel like I'm in a Zen state. My mind feels cleansed and I'm in a much better headspace to just go ahead and tackle other tasks during the day. I feel like NuCalm is a very individualized tool, so some guys use it differently than others, but the bottom line is that it gets these extra percentages out of guys, allowing them to be the best version of themselves, and that ultimately helps the team. When I use NuCalm Rescue, I can track it on my Whoop, and it tells me that my stress levels are very, very low. I try to monitor that since practice is always high stress levels. Sometimes study sessions are very high stress levels. So there's time that I can divide for myself to get myself calm, and lower stress levels is very important for me during the day, and Rescue really helps me with that. Our culture is all about academics and sports. We never just want to bank on one or the other side. We really try to get a holistic picture of a student athlete. I think a big difference for us as center backs is that you always have in the back of your head that if you do mess up, there's only the goalkeeper behind you who will try to save it for you. And if you make a mistake as a forward or maybe as a midfielder, usually we as defenders can have your back and pick it up for you. That's always a risk that you kind of have in the back of your mind that, you gotta put safety over risk most of the times, otherwise you'll concede. I do pay a lot of attention to just emotional mastery and self-help, trying to figure myself out, get to know myself better. And NuCalm is just one tool that helps me to get there. I use mostly just different methods like reading or meditation or whatever, but NuCalm just really helped to get an extra percent, and it's all about margins, and NuCalm helps me to fill these margins to just get better and better.